Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá.
Good afternoon and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babewinje. And if this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to quickly explain how to use your left sandal and arches with a single broom or a charcoal. If you believe that you always have a dream that you pick money on the floor, you understand? You know, when you have a dream that you are picking money on the floor, it's not a good dream, you understand? And sometimes, if you know that you have a business that you are doing, suddenly everything just change, you understand? No customers, no money, and so on. So you can do this to remove that curse placed on you. There are many ways all these evil people place curse on someone's life. You understand? So if you have a sandal, old sandal, this is my own sandal, old sandal, left side, you understand? And arches, this is arches. This is arches. This is arches. Have you seen it? Are you with me? And either broom. Where is my broom? A single broom, or if you don't have broom, you can use charcoal. Are you with me? So what are you going to do with all these materials? What are you going to do with it and how to use it? So the first thing you are going to do is you get enough of water. You know that you can use this water to bathe every part of your body in the night before you sleep. Are you with me? In the night before you sleep, get enough of water. You know that this water, you can use this water to bathe every part of your body. So you are going to add arches. Arches. Or if you don't have arches over there, you can use charcoal. You burn charcoal and you collect the arches. You put it in that water. So the second thing you are going to add is your sandal, a left sandal. Add it. So you are going to put one broom in that water. The reason why you add this broom is that you use this broom to protect the water. You understand? So if you can't find broom, you can use charcoal. You understand? So after you add everything, you now take it outside under the sky. You understand? You are not going to put it in your bedroom. You must do it in the night. Put it under the sky. If you are in a situation where you cannot put it outside, maybe you are afraid of someone to see you that you are doing something like that. You understand? Or you are your own apartment, you don't want anybody to talk to you anyhow, you can put it in your corridor or you put it in your balcony, you understand? But one thing is that don't put it under the roof, you understand? So when you put it outside, automatically it will face sky. Even your balcony is under roofing, since you put it outside, you place it outside. Are you with me? So when you wake up in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, before you greet anyone early in the morning, One thing is that if you know that you are going to work and you want to beat soap, you understand, before you beat this water, so you can beat soap and normal water, you understand. So after you beat this soap and normal water, you understand, you take this spiritual water, take it to your bedroom. So whatever thing you want, you understand, you can pray before you take it to your bedroom. Pray, ask God to remove any cause placed on you that disturb you financially. You understand? Then take the water to bedroom. Use this water to bathe every part of your body. One thing is that you can remove this sandal if you want to bathe it, and remove the broom. But if you like, you can keep the broom and sandal. You bathe with it, and after this assignment, you can use this. Don't throw it away. You can use it. You can use it for other time. You understand? So very simple. And one thing is that you cannot ask someone to do it for you. Don't ask your husband to do it for you, or you cannot use your children sandal. You cannot use your husband sandal. Use your own sandal. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, will surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my instruction. You all know that I always say this, make sure you apply faith, because your faith is highly needed. Please, if you like this video, help me to like it. If you never subscribe, please subscribe for more videos. And please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Ẹni orúkọ mìíràn ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè tí ayé mọ̀ sí Wẹ́ńjẹ́. Ní orí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ sì máa ń bára sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àti egbò láwọn kan kéèké báyìí. Ẹ̀rí Ọlọ́run fi agbára sí ara ewé àti egbò. Àwọn nǹkan kan tó wà nínú àṣírí ewé ìtìbò tó yẹ kó tó pamọ́ tí ó hàn sára yé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ewé eléyìí tá a fẹ́ ṣe. Ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn ní alágbára láti fi owó bà tèèyàn jẹ́? Wọ́n lè fún èèyàn ní owó, ìmídèdè bá ti fún ẹ lówó báyìí, ìgbésí ayé bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bàjẹ́. Bóyá oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ni ẹni o, bóyá oníṣòwò ni o, bóyá òǹtajà ni o. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Owó burúkú kan wà tí wọ́n bá ti lè lo owó yẹn, tí wọ́n bá lè fi rí ẹ lọ́wọ́, tó bá ti lè gbà wàhálà ní fún ẹ. Gbogbo ìgbà kí ìgbà tó bá yẹ bọ̀wọ̀ tó ń tajà tó wá rí i pé owó tẹ́ni mú bọ̀, owó yìí ò inú ẹ̀ ò mọ́ sí i. Sọ pé kẹ́ni yẹn jùlẹ̀ lẹ̀ ó máa mú, àbí fọwọ́ àlàáfíà gba owó lọ́wọ́ ẹni yẹn. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Olóhùn mi kí n wálé ní láti wá gbóòrú nǹkan báyìí wá. Ó fún èèyàn lówó tán, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lálàá pé òun píkì owó lójú oorun, tàbí wọ́n ń rajà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ lójú oorun. Ọmọ ìyá mi, lọ wá bàtà sándà ẹsẹ̀ àlàáfíà tó ti wọ̀ dáadáa. Wá eru inú àrò. Tó bá rí eru inú àrò, jó èédú kòkó eru ẹ̀, ìgbálẹ̀ ẹyọ kan. Tó bá ní ìgbálẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ yẹn, lo èédú ẹyọ kan. Tó bá ti wá di alẹ́, wá omi tó bá tó ẹwẹ́, da eru yìí sínú ẹ̀, ju bàtà ẹsẹ̀ àlàáfíà tó ti lò dáadáa jù sí. Wá fi ìgbálẹ̀ kan sínú ẹ̀, tàbí kó fi èédú sí. Tó bá rí ìgbálẹ̀, wá gbé síta gbangba díjọ́ kejì. Wọ́n tó bá yẹ páyé tó wà, bóyá bákólì nìkan ló lè ráyè gbé sí bákólì. Tó bá ti gbé sí bákólì, tí nígbà tí ó ṣe pé ti fi nǹkan gáàdì bákólì tán, òye ọ̀run sì ń tàn sí omi yẹn. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tó bá ti wá gbé sí bákólì yẹn, tó bá ti di àárọ̀jọ́ kejì kó tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí yàn, bákan méjì ni. Tó bá yẹ pé òun lọ síbi iṣẹ́, ó wá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n fẹ́ wẹ ọṣẹ, nọ́mà ọṣẹ tó wẹ, ó fẹ́ wẹ kó tó lọ. Kọ́kọ́ wẹ ọṣẹ yẹn, fi omi, nọ́mà omi fi sanra. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tó bá fi sanra tán, gbélé yìí gbé wọ bedroom, ó fi sanra padà. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tó bá ti fi sanra padà, àdúrà ti gbà. Owó tó ń mú lójú oorun ò tún mú mọ́. Ọjà tí wọ́n ń ná lójú oorun, tó ń fún ẹ lówó lójú oorun, kò tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ mọ́. Eru wọ́n ní ìjà eru ó ti lọ bá ẹni tó rú àṣà síbẹ̀ sí ẹ tó fi kàn ẹ́ là gbàrọ̀ lọ. Ẹ wọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè tí ayé mọ̀ sí Wẹ́ńjẹ́. Tó bá dìgbà míì, a tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi yẹn tó yàtọ̀ sílẹ̀ yìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí ètò yìí kí lè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi ta ṣàlàyé ta ṣètò ìpè tí a ti ṣe.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀, láfi ń ṣe tiwa ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́